This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm gonna have so much fun. We got the Merry Christmas sign and everything. You have so many pieces. I mean, it's Christmas time, guys. So many little pieces. This is the Christmas tree decor you can put on your desktop Christmas tree with lights and everything. 50 pieces. This is so fun, and it's really small and compact. You put this on your desk and you literally have the whole classic Christmas tree experience. This is a YUNLIGHTS 22-inch small pre-lit Christmas tree for the desktop. It's battery operated. So this one has LED lights. We have a 50-piece mini Christmas tree ornament. Adopt the classic Christmas tree. There's 50 pieces. This is really fun for a family. Christmas tree decoration fest right here. This is crazy, guys. Light up your holiday. This is battery operated. You got 50 warm white LED lights. Let's do it, guys. Right here in my hand is the tabletop Christmas tree. We're gonna unbox this tabletop Christmas tree. This thing has 50 pieces and uses 3 AA batteries. This is fun for the entire family. You put together your own Christmas tree, small desktop Christmas tree with a stand. It comes with everything, with lights and everything, but you do need 3 AA batteries. Let's unbox. We're unboxing the tabletop Christmas tree. Yes, there's 50 parts in here. 50 little pieces. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, you literally can put a whole Christmas tree together. Look, you got the Christmas tree topper right here. You got the star. Nice. You got the star Christmas tree topper right there. You got ornaments right here. Little ornaments. This is everything you need to put together a Christmas tree. What? Crazy. You got little gift boxes. This is so fun. This is so cute, right? You got your little Christmas boxes right here. You got more. This is more ornaments. Nice. And even more ornaments. Oh, this is so fun. Lots of little ornaments right here. What else do we have? We have the little control unit. Again, this thing does use 3 AA batteries. Oh wow, look at all this little Christmas lights. So you have a bunch of Christmas lights right here. And of course, we have our Christmas tree. Are we ready for the Christmas tree? Oh wait, hang on. Before we even show the Christmas tree, we also got little bows right here. So little bows to decorate your Christmas tree. And here's our tabletop Christmas tree. Nice. Wow, here's the Christmas tree. Complete with the Merry Christmas sign as well. What? This is so crazy. You have so much stuff. You have the Merry Christmas right here. You even have the pine cones right here. You got another pine cone right here. You got little berries right here. I'm overwhelmed with how much stuff this comes with. This you have Christmas gift right here. Let me see if I can hold all this stuff up together. You have that. You have the star topper right here. You have so much stuff. You got more ornaments right here. Like, oh my gosh, it's so crazy. And even more ornaments right here. And you have Christmas lights right here. You got bags of gift right here. Oh wow, it's crazy. And you have the Christmas tree sign right here. So guys, you have over 50 pieces to put together this Christmas tree. This tabletop Christmas tree is gonna look so great. I can't wait to put it together.